Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to introduce a new item that I found from Costco. It's lobster tail skewer. So it's reasonable price, and this is already frozen. It comes with this is already pre-marinate, and you see with butter, lemon, pepper glaze. So we don't have to pretty much do anything, like just buy back, heat it up, either grilling or oven. And today I'm gonna do oven since like cold is outside. So let's open up and see how it looks like. So it should be like come with 2 lobster tail and then cut into half of each with a skewer. Oh my god, looks so interesting. Let's open up. So it comes with a skewer. I don't have to do anything really. So convenient. Hopefully it tastes as good as well. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm gonna use my mini oven today. Already preheating now. Ooh, so anything that use baking sheet. They say it doesn't use a baking sheet, but since my tray is kind of non-stick, so I'm not gonna bother to add a baking sheet on it. I don't think it's gonna make a difference. Oh, look at this. There's a butter on it, all this sauce. Like you see all this. It's big. Look at my hand. So I think it will make sense. It depends on you. If you have the baking sheet, I think the sheet would absorb all the sauce on it. Since I have this tray, so the sauce should be dipped on here. I can dip it with the lobster, so it's up to your option. I'm gonna opt out for baking sheet. But again, it's so big. Let's see this way. I'm not sure which way gonna fit. So it comes with a pack of 2. I think I'm gonna do this. Oh, this is better. This way is better. So big. Looks like a Maine lobster. Or Canadian Boston tail, I don't know. But it's just so big, both of them. It's not meat. And then just now, we're gonna heat up and we'll be back in 14 minutes and see how it looks like. Okay, all right, so let's put it in. Dun, dun, dun. See you in 14 minutes. By the way, before you cook this, make sure your shell face down. Earlier, I realized like a minute after I put it in the oven, I was facing upward, so I turned it upside down immediately. This is always facing up. So after 14 minutes, it's all cooked now. It smells. I add another 1 or 2 minutes just in case my shell didn't cook earlier. The meat is so soft. Oh, actually, it might not be cooked. Okay, looks like it's not cooked. Let's give it another few minutes. Yeah, so remember earlier I say I didn't do the right thing, that this should be face up where the shell face down, and then do 14 minutes. Eventually it didn't work out, so I have to cook additional 5 minutes to make it fully cooked this time. Yep, all the meat are white now. It looks so good. It's easy to break apart too. I just like use a little string and then just separate out. Wow. And it smells so good. You can hear the sizzling because there's a butter. So if you use baking sheet, the sheet itself maybe absorb all the butter, so you might not have the sauce. So I prefer using this kind of tray. At least you have sauce left over. And it smells so good, like the buttery smells and the seafood, the lobster smells so strong and feels so soft. Oh, you see all the smoke coming out? It looks so good. Wow, let's try it out. Wow. So easy to pick apart too. Look at this. Wow, it's so crispy, the shells. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. Let's dip it with some butter. There's some leftover butter, so it tastes much better. Okay, so I don't need a knife at all. So let me see. Let me try this. Now I dip with butter. Oh, it looks so good. Smells so good. Let's try it out. It's so crunchy. Definitely not rubbery. Surprisingly, not too salty than I expecting it. Oh, this is just so good. It's like feels so fresh, even though it's frozen item. And it's so simple to do. All you do is like just like either grill it or oven. I prefer, honestly, I prefer oven instead of grilling because you see all the butter left over on the tray. You can use this as a dipping sauce at oven, but if you're using a grill, If you don't have a tray like this, all the oil will drip to the bottom. So I prefer the oven, so you can save some butter as a sauce. Oh my God, this is just so good. If you see it, I would highly recommend to buy it and eat it. It's just so good and convenient. It's just so soft, so smooth. The meat doesn't feel soggy. It's just like so crunchy, just so fresh. Yeah, I'm loving this. I'm gonna get more when I go to Costco next time. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you the next video.